Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.